RMUS distributes secure thermal drone technology across Canada. Teledyne FLIR has announced the Canadian availability of its professional uncrewed aerial system, US, the SIRUS trademark, now accessible through Rocky Mountain Unmanned Systems, RMUS. This partnership aims to bring secure and affordable thermal capabilities to Canadian professionals across various sectors, including industrial inspection, utilities, firefighting, law enforcement, and search and rescue. As demand heightens for sophisticated U.S. solutions that include expert programs and support, expanding into Canada with unmatched support and distribution through RMUS, an existing partner in the USA, is a natural progression, said Mike Walters, Vice President, Teledyne FLIR. Teledyne FLIR and RMUS have joined forces in Canada to provide unmanned visible thermal innovation to Canada via the SIRAS drone. It is ideal for visual inspection and decision support across industrial, energy, and emergency response. This collaboration marks Teledyne FLIR's expansion into Canada, bringing with it an industrial-grade drone option tailored for secure data management and high-performance operations. SIRAS is engineered to support Canadian professionals seeking advanced capabilities in aerial inspections and public safety responses. RMUS's role in Canadian drone solutions. RMUS, a well-known provider of uncrewed system solutions in North America, will manage the distribution of the SIRAS UAS across Canada. The company provides extensive technical support, equipment sales, and both online and in-person training programs to help customers maximize the potential of U.S. technology. RMUS has established a reputation for building robust programs that encompass drones, robotics, sensors, cameras, artificial intelligence software, and counter-US systems. We are thrilled to collaborate with Teledyne FLIR to bring cutting-edge drone solutions to the Canadian market, said Kevin Totterell, General Manager of RMUS Canada. We are committed to delivering exceptional quality, reliability, and performance to our customers, empowering businesses, organizations, and individuals to unlock the full potential of drone technology. The partnership between Teledyne FLIR and RMUS Canada aims to deliver an accessible and high-performing solution for industries across Canada. This offering could be particularly beneficial for sectors needing secure data handling and specialized aerial inspection capabilities. Introducing the Vue TV128 Plus camera for enhanced capabilities alongside the SIRAS UAS, Teledyne FLIR has launched its new ITAR-free Vue registered TV128 Plus camera module in Canada. This dual thermal and visible camera payload offers industry-leading thermal sensitivity specifically designed for first responders and industrial inspections. The Vue TV 128 Plus integrates a 128x zoom 16MP visible camera and a 640 multiplied by 512 resolution FLIR Boson Registered Plus thermal camera, featuring a quick connect gimbal for ease of use with the SIRAS drone. Available as part of the SIRAS bundle or as a standalone purchase, this new camera payload provides Canadian customers with an additional tool to tackle demanding inspection tasks and emergency response missions effectively. For additional information on the SIRAS drone and the Vue TV 128 Plus camera, visit www.flir.c/SIRAS. About RMUS and Teledyne FLIR. RMUS, established in 2014, is a North American uncrewed solutions provider with offices in Utah and Ontario, offering end-to-end solutions including sales, support, and training. Meanwhile, Teledyne FLIR, part of Teledyne Technologies, delivers intelligent sensing solutions globally, supporting defense and industrial applications to help professionals make decisions that save lives and protect infrastructure. For more information about Teledyne FLIR and RMUS's US offerings, follow at FLIR on social media or visit www.teledyneflir.com.